Do you want to see how to make an ad on YouTube so that you can sell your Udemy course or other product? Here's what I've done. First, I've taken my promo video straight from my Udemy course here, the same video that's up here that I just made. I've now uploaded it on YouTube. I made a nice course title that is both simple for trying to get search results on Udemy and then is clear for providing the value. I talk about Udemy online teaching success course story and introduction, and then I go into more detail on Udemy with putting Udemy in the keywords 3 times in the beginning to help optimize for search. I then have a code straight to my Udemy course and then to my website. I then copy my Udemy sales pitch verbatim from my course to help optimize for search. I then went through and tagged with all of the most likely Udemy searches. I put a thumbnail in just showing my course image up here so that you can see exactly what you're getting in the course summarized in the thumbnail. Now I hit publish, and then all I need to do is go get the actual video URL. So I go into my Creator Studio, and then I go to Video Manager, and now I right-click, copy this link address to get my video address. Now I go make an ad. And for this, I'm going to make global ads and ads that show in countries where I'm likely to get sales. So I start with Udemy Instructor Success Global, and I'll do that $10 a day. And I put this on accelerated. And because the video is short, I am going to include the Google Display Network. The Google Display Network is good for low-cost views. And now what I'm going to do is use my Udemy course coupon I've got right here, and I'm putting that in as the actual display URL. So I take off the coupon code, and I just put the short link, udemy.com/instructor, and then I put the full code in right here in the actual link so that it's the same URL, but then it adds a code in. And I want to put www in there to make sure there's no problems with Udemy's URL not working. So I can do that easiest by just copy and pasting, so then the URL looks exactly the same. And I will take off in display ads because I don't want to use those, and I want to decrease the mobile bid adjustment by 50%. I also want to optimize for conversions and limit this campaign to 1 impression per day. I don't want to beat people over the head with it. And then in the max cost per view, I put 01, and then I will go into keyword targeting and see what YouTube thinks in terms of the keywords. So I'll put Udemy in as a keyword, but there's not likely going to be many videos, but I can put online classes, and then I can start loading up similar things like just teach online and various things like that. So I put these keywords in until I've got enough views that Google thinks it can give me out of this. And the idea is I just want to put in enough keywords where I can get similar things. And I want to watch videos where people are likely to be learning. So especially if I can put something in like tutorial, I want to catch people who are learning online. So I just go through and put as many things as I can like that in tutorials. And I just keep adding those video tutorials, online tutorials. And I just add keywords until Google predicts that the budget will be spent. So, and I can even put things in like course. So I want to make sure I've got enough keywords to guarantee that I will get actual impressions. So I will put more keywords in, and then I'll continue with you. So now I've got a good section of keywords that should work on the Google Display Network. I hit done, and I hit save targeting group. Now what I'm going to do before I actually make any more ads is make sure this first ad gets approved. Now my ads consistently do get approved, but one of the worst things I could possibly do would be to go through and make a bunch of ads in the US and Canada and other countries without verifying first that this original ad gets approved. and it generally takes an hour to several hours, especially using a new URL. So since I used a new URL on this, I'm going to have to wait a little while before it gets approved. So I made this ad. I will come back in several hours, check on it, and once it gets approved, then I will make a bunch of ads for this in the US, Canada, UK, and countries where I'm most likely to get some actual sales out of these ads. So I appreciate you watching this with me, and I hope sharing how I make an ad on YouTube for actual sales is helpful for you.